The brachial plexus is named for its relationship to the axillary artery, which starts at the border of the first rib and comes on down and ends at the inferior border of the teres major muscle. The first thing you look for to orient yourself is the musculocutaneous nerve, which pierces coracobrachialis, supplying it, biceps and brachialis, before becoming cutaneous as the lateral antebrachial cutaneous nerve. Follow it up to the lateral cord. The lateral cord will give you the musculocutaneous nerve, the lateral root to median nerve, and the lateral pectoral nerve, which you see going into pec major here off of the lateral cord. Lateral pectoral nerve coming from the lateral cord. Lateral root to median nerve, musculocutaneous nerve. Follow that down to the median nerve. There's the medial root to the median nerve. You follow that up to the medial cord. Medial cord gives you four things with medial in the name. Medial pectoral, stretching around, going right to pec minor. The medial root to median. The medial antebrachial cutaneous nerve, which continues down. And then the medial brachial cutaneous nerve, which is this one right here, traveling along with it. Medial brachial cutaneous, medial antebrachial cutaneous. And then that cord gives you the ulnar nerve, which is this one right here, all from the medial cord. Medial pectoral nerve, medial root to median nerve, ulnar nerve, medial antebrachial cutaneous nerve, medial brachial cutaneous nerve. Then you come back to the posterior cord, and your giveaway is the axillary nerve as it goes down into the quadrangular space. Then the radial nerve, splitting up into its branches to supply the muscle. It'll give skin branches as well, also from the posterior cord. The lower subscapular nerve, the thoracodorsal nerve to lat dorsi, and up here, the upper subscapular nerve. And here we have the long thoracic nerve to serratus anterior, right here. So that's the cords of the brachial plexus. Now the axillary artery gives you the supreme thoracic, which you see coming off here going into the chest wall, supreme thoracic. Then the thoracoacromial trunk, which is this one right here, which has deltoid, clavicular, acromial, and pectoral branches. This would be your lateral thoracic artery coming on down here. From the third part, you have the large subscapular, and on this side, the small anterior humeral circumflex, and the much larger posterior humeral circumflex, which enters the quadrangular space, along with the axillary nerve.